Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is cube root of x times square root of x plus 1 is equal to square root of x times cube root of x plus 1. To find the values of x. In the first step, to cancel this cube root and this square root, we raise both sides of this equation to the power of 6. So it will be cube root of x times square root of x plus 1, this is cube root, to the power of 6 is equal to cube square root of x times cube root of x plus 1 to the power of 6. We raise both sides of this equation to the power of 6. So in here, this 6 cancel this 3 by 2, and this 6 will cancel this square root by 3. So it will be x times square root of x plus 1 to the power of this 2 is equal to x times cube root of x plus 1 to the power of these 3. In the next step, it will be x to the power of 2 times square root of x plus 1 to the power of these 2. And here, x to the power of these 3 times cube root of x plus 1 to the power of 3. And it will be x square, and in here, these 2 will cancel this square root, so it will be x plus 1, and in here, x cube, and this power of 3 will cancel this cube root, and it will be x plus 1. In the next step, we take this x cubed times x plus 1 to the left side, so it will be x squared times x plus 1 minus this x cubed times x plus 1 is equal to 0. In the next step, in here we have x to the power of 2, and in here x to the power of 3, and we can factor x to the power of 2, and in here x plus 1, this divided by this is x plus 1, and in here x cubed times x plus 1 divided by this x squared, it will be x times x plus 1 is equal to 0. In here, x cubed divided by x squared, it will be x, and x times x plus 1. And in the next step, it will be x squared times x plus 1 minus x times x is x squared, and x times x1 is x, and this is minus x, this is 0. And in the next step, x squared times, in here this x will cancel this minus x, and in here 1 minus x squared is equal to 0. In here 1 minus x squared, this one also is 1 to the power of 2. And here this is in the form of perfect square, which is a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. And here it will be x squared times 1 minus x and times 1 plus x is equal to 0. And here we have 3 solutions for x. First is x squared is equal to 0, and this is 1 minus x is equal to 0, and this is 1 plus x is equal to 0. In here x squared is 0, so x is 0, and here 1 minus x is 0, so x is 1, and in here x is minus 1. So we have 3 solutions for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.